After the front panel is installed and the insulation is cut back from the edge, we got to install this H channel. I install it with the thick 1-inch strip facing out. Just clip it around the edge of the panel. Just kind of wiggle it around the edge till it catches. Okay, next step is to put the rear piece in. What we're going to do is cut the insulation back also, and then cut the top edge off to match the same height. Right now I'm cutting the insulation back about 1 inch so that we can get the H channel trim to join the two pieces of wall liner together. And just peel it off. Now you can see that these two panels are two different heights. What you're going to need to do is cut the top of this panel off. There's a perforation on the edge. First fold it along the crease. And then use your utility knife and run it along the edge. There you go. Now we have the rear panel prepped. We have the insulation cut and the top edge cut off to fit below our plastic wire harness cover. We're going to line it up and join it with the front panel into the H channel trim. Got the top lined up. Now we're going to go down to the lower side to make sure that stays in track, or stays in the trim. After I finish putting all the plastic plugs in their holes, I'm going to do the little Phillips screws and screw caps in these small holes along the perimeter and the top and center of the seam.